Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto call recording in Galaxy A15 device. So guys, for this, first of all, go to dial pad and then go to three dot option. After that, go to settings. So here's a small setting, but as you see, we don't have any option of call recording here. So we want to use third-party application. For this, just go to Play Store and then search for call recording. So as you see, this one is a call recorder automatic. Then install this application and then click to open. By the way, this application contains ads as it is a free ad. So now click to accept and then allow the permissions. Okay, now guys, if you have incoming calls, so it will be recorded here. If you are doing outgoing call, they are recording here. So now let me call someone. So as you see, the call is now start recording. Okay, now end of the call and then go to the application. So as it is an outgoing call, so just go to outgoing and as you see, this is now recorded here. So that's how we can record call automatically in Galaxy A15 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.